Guys, it's Captain North Colton Henry once again, and today we are in Survival Island with Playing Lion inside of a cave with a bunch of monsters. Yeah, there's a spawner too. It's pretty weird. We're not that deep. Like that's the entrance right there, and we immediately find a spawner. Like so much coal, and we need coal for levels. So that's how we get our enchantments. Mostly killing monsters, though. We got an unbreaking iron pick, which is pretty nice. See, like, there's an entrance right up here to this. Oh, here's the spawner. Yep. Oh, why'd you have to do that? Oh. Dude, there's another spider stuck under. You see those red eyes under there? It's a spider. Move. Okay, well, I'm gonna go explore his cave. Oh, I see an Enderman. Oh, creeper, creeper, creeper. Good. I found a creeper too, only he's after me. Where'd he go? Um, I am over now in the mine. Okay, dude, come down here. Dude, this way. Need some more torch. There we go. Who the heck are these people? And I don't know why there's so much zombies. Is there another spawner? The question remains. Nope. Well, there's no spawner apparently. Oh gosh! Goodness. Um, Dude, come down, it's safe. Fine, leave me down here to die. There's a zombie really close to me. Where is it? No. What do you want? Dude, I think there's a zombie spawner somewhere down here. Or there's a bunch of over here. So, wait, how much? 4 minutes, 52 seconds. Okay, you explore up there, I'm exploring this. Is there a spawner? Oh gosh. And guess what we find? Of course. Oh gosh. Help, help, help. No, no, no. I'm up here, dude. It's a bunch of zombie noises. Oh. Okay, there's no spawner here, but down here. Ow. Ow. The quad? Oh. Level 16, that's about halfway to Silk Touch Enchantment. Dude, we going down into the ravine? 7 minutes. So, oh, that was such a successful jump. Oh goodness, oh goodness. I'm being shot by a bunch of skellies. There you go. Okay, one sec. Moderator, good. Fine to get these arrows, I'm sorry guys. Found some gold. Oh! See, that time I had to, or else I'd die. Do you really want to see somebody die? Ow! Dude, they're everywhere. Zombies everywhere. What the crud? Did you literally just do that? Flying a boat down a stupid stream? Gold and a huge lava pit. You know what we need? We need, fortune. We could get double diamond. We need a fortune, like, 3 pickaxe. Dude, I found a huge lava pit, but I'm not exploring it right now. I found a huge lava pit again. Down in the lava pit. Dude, this is huge. Dude, do you have a bucket? No, dude, I'm up here. Dude, do you have a bucket? Come on, dude. No, tools. I'm missing one iron. You gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna end the video in a couple of minutes. Okay. No, not lost zone. I'm hearing swimming skeletons everywhere. Fuck it, yeah. So, I'm gonna end the video in about 1 minute. Uh, man, iron smelts really slow when you think about it. Glitchy. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.